Howdy, Mr. Customer. This is Gus here from Cabled Armor here on 40 Highway. Just wanted to show you this truck here I got. Great truck, 2014, 70,000 miles. It's a limited edition one. I mean, every option you can think of is in this thing. Leather seats, navigation, backup camera, has a sunroof up there, has controls there on the steering wheel. And the best part about it's the thing I love, is our gold warranty, which is 5-year unlimited mile powertrain. You gotta love that. No big commitments to engine, transmission, all that is covered here on this red candy paint Ram. Again, come see me here at Cabled Armor on 40 Highway. My phone number is 816-873-1293. Thank you. Guys, let me tell you about the special thing this thing has air ride suspension. So if you want to go up, you can go up. If you want to go down, it goes down. So if you're on, the Midwest out here, you like to go out in the country, raise it up. If you like to be a low rider, down in the West Coast, you can lower it down. Let me show you how it's done. Let me show you step one, which is these buttons right here. As you can see, you can raise it, lower it, just with those two buttons right up there. Simple as that, guys. Lower it down, raise it up. Just come see me here again, Cabled Armor on 40 Highway.